Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori says the executive branch of government, which he heads, will follow the principles of power rotation among the three arms of government to promote good governance in Delta State. Right Honorable Oborevwori gave the assurance when he received in audience Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Dennis MAMODE, and his Deputy Honorable Arthur AKUGHA recently at Government House, Asaba.
In line with provisions of Section 105, Section 3 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori recently issued a proclamation of the holding of the first session of the Delta State House of Assembly. After the proclamation, Right Honorable Dennis MAMODE was elected Speaker of the 8th Assembly of the Delta State House of Assembly. Immediately after the inaugural sitting of the House, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker Honorable Arthur AKUGHA proceeded to Government House Asaba for a meeting with Governor Oborevwori. At the meeting, Right Honorable Guo assured the Delta State Governor that the legislators would work harmoniously with the executive arm of government to promote good governance.
Your Excellency, we want to assure you, as leaders of the 8th Assembly, that the legislature will have a robust relationship with the executive arm. We will synergize and work suit with your programs, especially as it relates to the more agenda.
In his response, Governor Oborevwori, who was Speaker in the 6th and 7th Assemblies of the Delta State House of Assembly, urged his successor to operate an open-door policy and give his colleagues a sense of belonging for a united and viral legislature. The Delta State Governor said under his watch, governance will be in accordance with the principle of separation of powers to enable all three arms of government function effectively in the collective interest of Deltans.
I'm aware of the separation of powers of the three arms of government. We'll continue to partner together, work together, all to the progress of Delta State. And in my more agenda, I promised Deltans that we're going to do more. We advance this state to a greater height.
In a related development, Right Honorable Oborevwori has charged local government council chairmen in Delta State to discourage the practice of multiple taxation imposed on citizens. The Delta State Governor gave charge when the Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, AKUGHA, paid him a courtesy visit recently at Government House, Asaba.
You see the hardship we are facing now with this subsidy removal. I want to appeal to you to talk to your people, your tax collectors, agents and all that, so that they will not be imposing unnecessary taxes on our people. Because it is sometimes you ask them to do something, they want to do something. I want to appeal to you, AKUGHA chairman and all the chairmen. It is very, very necessary to manage our people.
Right Honorable Oborevwori was elected governor on the basis of his popularity, wide acceptance by Deltans, and his comprehensive development blueprint known as the More Agenda. In his social contract with Deltans, the governor promises to do more in all aspects of governance, including sports. He made this known recently when he was handed the trophy won by Delta Queens in the Nigerian Women's Football League Super 6.
This is a good beginning for Delta State. We have been known for sports, and like I've told Deltans that in everything we are going to do more. And in sports, we'll do our best to do more, to encourage them and give them the support for them to do well, to excel.
The Delta Queens defeated Bayelsa Queens 2-1 to represent Nigeria in the Africa CAF Champions League next season. In the meantime, Governor Oborevwori has condoled with the government and people of Bayelsa State over the death of supporters of Bayelsa Queens in an auto crash that occurred at Kwale in Ndokwa West local government area of Delta State.
Inside the Niger Delta,